Hello all of you. Today the marketing tool channel shares with everyone about a software that helps me post real videos to multiple Instagram accounts at the same time. When everyone owns an Instagram account, posting real videos is very simple. But in case I own about a few hundred different Instagram accounts, uploading video reels is very time consuming. Today I will use the Insta marketing tool. In the software interface, go to the real video posting section of your account. Then I set the parameters. The next step is to choose the video do you want to post. For example, here I will choose any video. After that, I will select some boxes to allow posting duplicate videos. Post videos with the same content as content. Everyone, please compose any content in here. After I have saved the content, below are some options that I can use. For example, like or comment or share. What features do you need so I can add them here? Next, I will choose the Instagram accounts and need to post the real video. After installing all the steps, I started the software to work. Let's all watch together.